My name is Narelle Jubelin. I'm co-commissaria of an exhibition with Pedro Woaneamirri, an artist from Tiwi Islands, from Milakapiti on Melville Island. I was artist in residence in the museum in 2020, end of 2020, and was really struck by a beautiful object called a tunga. A tunga is a folded bark basket that's painted on both sides, and it's an object that's used both for everyday life but also for ceremony. When I was struck by that object, or we collectively, the people that were working around me on the residency, decided to look for an artist that was making contemporary tungas. In the exhibition, we talk about a wanga tunga, which is the traditional name that Pedro gave to the tunga. It's like naming the tunga in the old way. We began a series of conversations, and in the end, all of the time during COVID, we were in conversation by Zoom or by email, constructing what is the exhibition that we are opening today. The exhibition includes this piece and also a contemporary piece that the museum purchased by Pedro. So it's a very simple statement where we're inviting people to look very closely at the museum's collection, which is quite an extraordinary collection of Tiwi art. And it's also a way of, with the introduction of Pedro's work into the collection, it's a way of us documenting the continuity and strength of this particular culture. It's a culture that's part of the community of origin of the museum's collection, and we felt it was really important to consult carefully with the community and also to involve them in all parts of the design and the exhibition itself. If it wasn't for COVID, you'd be talking to Pedro today and not me. It was a privilege to work on this project, and I hope that it's a project that is beginning to develop a conversation with them over time. Thank you, and all welcome.